Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere anywhere with ease. The best tabletop fire pit adds instant charm to patios, balconies, or indoor spaces, combining cozy flames with stylish design for year-round enjoyment and unforgettable gatherings with friends or family. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started! Number 1. Ciays 43-inch Fire Pit. The Ciays 43-inch fire pit delivers both performance and elegance to any outdoor space. With an impressive 60,000 BTU output, it offers powerful and consistent heat for chilly evenings. Powered by a durable 304 stainless steel H-burner, designed for long-lasting use. Its 3-inch extended tabletop edge is perfect for holding drinks or snacks, making it an ideal centerpiece for gatherings. When not in use, the included cover transforms it into a functional outdoor table for dining or relaxation. Built for reliability and sophistication, the Ciays 43-inch fire pit combines warmth, modern design, and versatility, creating the perfect ambiance for patios or backyards year-round. It's a premium choice for those seeking both comfort and style in outdoor living. Number 2. Ciays 28-inch Fire Pit. The Ciays 28-inch fire pit offers the perfect blend of warmth, functionality, and modern appeal. Delivering 50,000 BTUs of consistent heat, this propane fire pit transforms your patio or deck into a cozy retreat for cool evenings. The addition of a glass windshield keeps the flame steady, providing a beautiful display of flickering blue glass stones. Its compact 28-inch size fits well on most outdoor tables, offering flexibility for various setups, including tables with or without umbrella holes. With 2 installation options, it adapts easily to any surface while maintaining a clean, stylish look. The reliable piezo ignition system allows quick lighting and easy flame adjustment with just a simple press and turn. Perfect for creating an inviting outdoor atmosphere, the Ciays 28-inch fire pit combines practicality with contemporary design, making it an excellent choice for gatherings, casual dinners, or relaxing nights under the stars. Number 3. BAIDE Home Fire Pit. The BAIDE Home Fire Pit blends durability, style, and versatility into a compact and functional design. Built with powder-coated steel and a stainless steel burner, it's made to withstand the elements while providing reliable heat and ambiance. This 28-inch top fire pit makes a striking centerpiece for decks, patios, or backyards, fitting comfortably on medium to large tables. It includes a wind glass shield that enhances both flame stability and visual appeal, ensuring the fire burns beautifully even on breezy nights. The unique rear-mounted hose regulator design allows easy setup on tables with or without umbrella holes, while the 8-foot hose offers excellent flexibility and placement. The glass bracket's hook design adds stability and safety, preventing shifting during use. Compatible with a standard 20-pound LP tank, this fire pit delivers consistent warmth and style wherever it's placed. The BAIDE Home Fire Pit is a perfect blend of sophistication, convenience, and functionality for outdoor living. Number 4. East Oak 28-inch Fire Pit combines style and practicality to create the ultimate outdoor experience. With a powerful 52,000 BTU output, it quickly warms patios, decks, or gardens, offering cozy comfort even on cool evenings. Its versatile 2-in-1 design allows it to double as a functional table when the fire is off, ideal for gatherings or outdoor meals. The magnetic lid conveniently secures to the side for easy access and tidy storage, while the adjustable legs ensure stability and balance on uneven surfaces. Built from high-quality materials, this fire pit is designed to last, delivering both safety and reliability. Easy to assemble with detailed instructions and a video guide, setup is simple and hassle-free. The East Oak 28-inch fire pit adds both warmth and sophistication to your outdoor space, making it perfect for year-round enjoyment and entertaining. Number 5. East Oak Fuoco Fire Pit.
The East Oak Fuoco fire pit redefines outdoor warmth with a compact yet powerful design. Engineered for efficiency, it provides superior heat output while burning longer and using less fuel. Its advanced airflow system enhances combustion by 120%, ensuring a smokeless experience without the irritation of stinging eyes or lingering odor. Perfect for patios, backyards, or camping trips, this portable fire pit offers both performance and convenience. The dual fuel capability allows you to burn either wood or pellets, giving flexibility in any setting. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the 3-in-1 ash pan and smooth, ash-resistant surface that prevents buildup. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it resists rust, corrosion, and heat discoloration, ensuring durability through years of use. The East Oak Fuoco fire pit delivers lasting warmth, cleaner burns, and timeless design, making it an excellent choice for those who value quality and effortless outdoor comfort. Thanks for watching. A great tabletop fire pit can turn any evening into a cozy and memorable experience. Whether you're relaxing solo or hosting guests, these compact fire features bring warmth and ambiance to any space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the links below for more details.